Hello, welcome to World in a String. Today we are going to be unboxing the yarn Bliss box from the Speckled Finch Studios. This is a subscription box. I get the Hardy sock base, and we're going to open it up and see what was inside for the month of September 2025. Ooh, already I like these colors. You can kind of tell by the print on the paper, which is often themed. Yep, that looks like a cactus theme. So this is the inspiration photo. Cactus makes perfect. And this is a little card that's pretty handy. It'll tell you what their socials are. There's a QR code to get pattern suggestions for how you might want to use the yarn. And it also talks about what's included in the box. So we'll set this aside for now and we'll just have a look. So we have some cactus stitch stoppers. They're very nice. We have a cactus sticker. Cactus makes perfect. And that matches the card. And there is a little zipper notions pouch. Whoops, it's already open. Very nice. And then the yarn for this month, let's have a peek. Ooh, I love it. I love it, love it, love it. So we have Cactus Cutie is the variegated. And it's this like pale green with speckles of sort of like purplish, pinkish, like the flowers on a cactus. And then we have a coordinating skein, which is Prickly Punch. And again, I get the Hardy sock. It's also available in DK. And I think as of January 2026, I think it's also available in worsted, which is a nice little bonus. So you can see the pricing if you follow the link in the description below, but the retail price is more than the monthly price every month. Sorry about that. And if you're thinking about getting one of these boxes yourself, then definitely check out the link below. And there is a coupon code that will get you $5 off your first subscription box, if you are so inclined to try this out. Thank you for joining me today for this sneak peek, and we will see you in the next video.